Our storm threat has faded for the night, and as we look ahead to tomorrow, you know what we'll be potentially knocking on the door of? Our first 90 of the year. Last time we saw warmer than that, October 21st, it was 94. The average high for tomorrow is 70. So we're talking 20 degrees above average. The record for tomorrow, 91, set in 1991. So we will definitely be on record watch. First thing tomorrow morning, there could also be some patchy fog, maybe dense, especially south and east of the city. Currently outside 73 today. It was a toasty day, 84. The lid, the cap on the atmosphere held for most of us. A couple of very isolated storms did manage to fire in the hill country, but that severe weather risk has shifted all the way to our east. Let me tell you, earlier there were a few spots in Mason, Llano, as well as Burnett counties that did see some storms. We didn't have any warnings, but there was one hail report out of Taos of nickel to quarter-sized hail. And here's what the rain looked like for those that saw it. This is from Scott Dukes in Buchanan Dam as the storms rolled across Lake Buchanan, which hadn't seen rain in quite some time. For Austin, our dry streak spans all the way back to February 10th. So a couple spots saw a little bit of rain. Our next chance of rain and maybe strong to severe thunderstorms arrives on Thursday. Right now I'm looking at late Thursday night into early Friday morning. Still have a lot of uncertainties with it, but keep in mind that will be your next chance. We're talking a similar situation to some point where there's going to be a dry line to our west that will sweep to the east, and that could be, along with the Pacific cold front, what gives us that rain chance. Until then, just talking about the heat. 90 for tomorrow. The record again, 91. A little cooler on Wednesday, 83. Thursday into Friday around 80 degrees both days with that storm chance late before we see things really cool down for the upcoming weekend. We'll be right back.